Hey lovies, welcome back to another delicious recipe. And on today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you my simple three ingredient mango ice cream without using cream, condensed milk. So guys, let's get started with this recipe. So guys, right here I have in my frozen mangoes, I have some Greek yogurt and honey. So optionally you can go ahead and add in few drops of yellow color to give this ice cream that nice yellow color. Okay, so let's get started with our ice cream. So firstly, I will go ahead and add in my Greek yogurt into the blender. So you need to add in your Greek yogurt so it will help the mango to blend properly. And at this moment, I will go ahead and add in some honey. So guys, do feel free to add in any amount of honey to suit your taste. And at this moment, I will start adding in my mango, which I'm going to be adding just few of the mangoes so my blender can work on it properly. So you can see the amount of mango I have in my blender. So I'm going to start blending it. So after blending the first batch, I went ahead and put in the other parts of the mango, and at this time I'm just using in my blending stick to carefully push it down so it will blend properly. So if you don't have a blending stick, you can get in your woody stick and make sure you don't push it to the bottom so it doesn't get to affect the blade of your blender. Okay, you can see how I'm just carefully using my blending stick to push it down. So at this moment, I went ahead and dropped in few drops of my yellow color to give this mango ice cream that nice color. But if you don't like, you can skip this part as I said earlier. So guys, at this moment, I will get in my mold which I've already put in my freezer 2 hours earlier, and I'm going to start scooping in the mango ice cream into the cold mold. So guys, when I'm done scooping in the mango ice cream into the mold, I'll go ahead and use my spatula to spread it out properly. So when I'm done spreading it flat, I will get in my cling film, and I'm going to be using the cling film to make sure I cover it up properly so it doesn't get those icy at the top of the ice cream when it's frozen. So at this moment, I'm going to put it inside my freezer and allow it to freeze for about 5 hours, or you can leave it overnight. Yeah, and at this time my ice cream is ready. I'm just going to go ahead and scoop this sweet and delicious baby right here, and I'm going to be enjoying it with my family. So guys, if you did enjoy watching this recipe, if you find it helpful, please, before you leave, don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button. Click on the bell icon that goes with it. That way you will never miss any of my uploads. And also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did find it helpful, and do drop me a comment letting me know if you love this recipe. And if you have any questions, go ahead and drop your questions, as I'm always on the comment section reading your comments and dropping all the answers that you requires. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Till I see you again on my next recipe, always be happy and to stay safe. Okay, so guys, join me, let's enjoy this delicious healthy ice cream right here. That was delicious. So, guys, let me leave you here so you keep on enjoying this ice cream till I see you again. Be happy and stay safe.